Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipops at home chicken updated. Start by gathering sugar, corn syrup, flavoring, food coloring, lollipop sticks, and a silicone mat. Clean and dry all tools, then measure ingredients precisely for consistent candy. Set up a cooling station and have a bowl of cold water for spatula rinses. Wear long sleeves and gloves to protect skin from hot syrup and splashes. Bring sugar, corn syrup, and water to a simmer while stirring gently so crystals dissolve evenly and avoid graininess. Attach a candy thermometer and watch closely as syrup reaches hard crack at around 300 degrees F for firm lollipops. Remove from heat the moment it hits temperature, then stir in flavor and color swiftly so syrup does not thicken. Work fast to portion drops for sticks before cooling begins and syrup hardens fully. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy candy projects. Quick recommendation: life is short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great after sticky kitchen sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Spoon or use a candy dispenser to place consistent drops on a silicone mat. Then gently press a lollipop stick into each warm candy while it remains malleable. Allow lollipops to cool fully at room temperature until they are hard and glossy. Avoid chilling, which can cause sweating. Once cool, check for sharp edges and package in airtight containers or cellophane with twisted ties to keep them crisp and prevent moisture from softening the candy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.